So we are back with Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. I believe I made about two videos on this market yesterday when it was about to break to the upside and give us some tradable pips. Basically, I had been watching this market drop and I was waiting for the bottom and watching how market has been moving for a while. I expected well, not expected. I was thinking likely there will be some upside on a Thursday, just because I've noticed market does a bit of a reversal either for the short term on Thursday with some markets. This was one of them. It's not consistent, but it was a possibility. So I watched this market drop yesterday, and I actually highlighted this level because, as you can see, this level went up and this upside basically ended there. So when I saw this market going down, I decided to stretch this line, and lo and behold, market actually stopped there to give us some upside. So the first thing I observed was this candlestick, which gives a possible sign of a reversal. That was number one. Number two, there was a channel I was observing here that was going to break to the upside. So I was waiting for it to break to the upside. The only thing is, yeah, so it broke to the upside on this candle, and I was expecting it to basically get around this region. This should actually be a bit farther up. Yeah, I was expecting it to break, get to around this region, and it did, and I expected it to come down, but you don't just get in on one confirmation, which is these levels. I was waiting to see a channel that is tradable. So this is a channel that is tradable, and it broke out on this candle right here. So as it broke out in this candle right here, I usually wait for market to retrace back to 50% of that candle that broke the channel, or but sometimes it does go further than 50%. But if I was to trade this channel, which I haven't because I'm actually in another market, which is an NZD JPY market. However, if I was to trade this channel, I would have gotten somewhere around 50%, or sometimes I take it all the way to the full body because market either makes it somewhere 50% or to the full body of the breakout candle, which it did on both these candles, and then I would have tried to ride it back down. And of course, market is never smooth. Sometimes it would act like it's going down, come back up, tease you a little bit, play this roller coaster game until it eventually drops. So this is how I would have traded this channel if I did get into the market. I don't over trade, and I'm usually sure of my trades, so I stick to one market, getting with as much pips. I'm not the type of trader that diversifies just in case this trade doesn't work out. This one will support you or something like that. No, I stick to one trade a day, and that trade, for the most part, usually works out for me. So I am that confident in my trades. I don't need to put so much stress or so much energy into trying to manage multiple trades. For me, that's not conducive to my comfort of trading. I hate the anxiety that comes with trading. So one market gives me enough anxiety to last me. So I just stick to it, focus in it. It's for me, it's the least stress, you know, in that way of trading. So yeah, this is how I would have traded this market if I got in. Unfortunately, I already got into a different market. So yeah, thank you for watching. If market does come back up and you like this trade, feel free to consider entering it if it does appeal to you. But this is not a trading advice to tell you to get into the market or don't get into the market. But this is how I would have traded this channel if this is the market that I chose to trade, but it is not. So thank you for watching. Feel free to comment or like or support.